Here I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device and also some of these secret codes. So to enter secret codes you have to open keypad and enter codes here. And the first code for today will be asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk. And this is the testing menu. Here you can view different phone informations, apps, usage statistics, Wi-Fi information too, could be useful. The next code will be asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk, and this is the calendar info. Here you can view some calendar info if you have any calendars added. Next code will be asterisk pound 0000 pound asterisk, and this is the device info. Here you can find lots of information about your model, I don't know, software, version, email information, and lots of other useful stuff. Next code will be asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk, and this is the FCM diagnostics menu. Here you can view some information about your Wi-Fi connection. The next code will be asterisk pound 07 pound, and this is the certificates. And the last code for today will be asterisk pound 06 pound, and this is the code which displays your email numbers and also your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.